Fenix E28R Edc flashlight. Wanna see the review? Keep watching. Hello guys, what's up? Today our guest is Fenix E28R. It is the newest tactical flashlight by Fenix. It has this fancy box, as you can see. In fact, it is offering us a lot. Let's open the box and see what is inside. Opening the box, you see the flashlight itself, and you see the Type-C charging cable, and this is the lanyard, I suppose. Yeah, here is your lanyard. And this spare o-ring also comes within the box. This is the warranty card. Other models by Fenix can be seen. Other tactical models as well. And this is the user's manual for E28R by Fenix. So let's talk about the flashlight itself. First touch, this is the black model, and believe me, it is heavier than it looks. Nice finishing with the black color choice. I like this one. And I just said this is a tactical model, but in fact this is more on the EDC side, because you can see how it looks on my hand. It's smaller, so we can consider it for everyday carry. So obviously here is the point where you can charge your batteries, the USB Type-C, and it has this instrument to cover. This is nice, and as far as I can understand, you can charge it when the batteries are inside. You don't have to take the batteries out. This is a plus. Apart from that, you have this clip here attached. You can carry it on your belt, whatever. One other feature is that it can stand on the ground like this, thanks to these two pieces. Quite easy. Many of the flashlights I have tested do not have this feature, so it is nice. And yes, you can get rid of this notice. Is this a good match? What do you think? We love black. When you want to reach the batteries, you need to turn the head, in fact, not the tail. and just remove this one here, and let's check the battery as well. This is our rechargeable battery by Fenix. Let's put it back on. Yeah, this is the moving part, not here. Now that our battery is already installed, we can check how it looks. Simply, you will realize there is one functioning button here, and you can turn it on and off, and also you can switch between the modes as well thanks to this button here. Just check it. Press once, you get nothing. You need to press and hold. Now it is functioning. If you would like to switch the modes, you simply press again, and it is getting to the highest modes. This must be the turbo, I suppose. And now this is the eco mode, the lowest mode, and you get the low mode, medium, high, and turbo. This is the turbo version. Press once more, eco again. If you would like to turn it off, simply press and hold. It has the memory function as well. That means if it is on the eco mode when you turn it off, it will start on the eco mode again when you turn it on, like this. If it is on turbo, it starts on turbo again, thanks to this memory. Now let's talk about the lock function. If you would like to lock the flashlight, simply press twice. Now it is locked. When you press, it's not functioning. You need to unlock. Press twice again. Now it is unlocked. This is also a useful feature. I like that. And now I will turn the lights off and show you this EDC flashlight in the darkness. So in the eco mode, which is the mode running right now, you have 30 lumens, and this can run for 73 hours and 35 minutes in the eco mode. And changing to low mode, and low mode gives you 150 lumens for 17 hours and 15 minutes. And switching to medium, when it is on the medium, it can give you 350 lumens for 6 hours. And one more time, this is the high mode, and high mode gives you 800 lumens for 2 hours and 30 minutes. And this is the turbo. You can run this flashlight on turbo mode with 1500 lumens for 2 hours and 5 minutes. But please consider that when it is on turbo mode, the head of the flashlight gets harder and harder, and after a while automatically it switches to the high mode and medium mode. You cannot run it on turbo mode for a long time. Let's turn our lights on again. One other feature I like most about this flashlight is that this LED here simply shows you the status of your battery. Simply press once here and it will show you the status of the battery. I don't know if you could see it, but simply when it is running on green lights, that means you have a battery of between 85% to 100%. When it is flashing green light, that means your battery is between 50% to 85%. And when it is flashing red light, that means your battery is at a critical level between 25% to 0. As the conclusion, and I can say that it is a quite handy flashlight for your EDC needs, and I like the battery level indicator very much. It's very useful, and also it can stand on the ground like this. This is very useful as well. However, it could also use a sheath in order to protect the flashlight when you are not using, but unfortunately that was not included in the box, and also there is no button on the tail, so you cannot simply press and start on the turbo mode. You need to start from the only button here and change or switch between the modes. And that is my review for Fenix E28R. Thank you for watching and have a good day.